Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO Find X8 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select Wallpapers and Style, and here just pick the album from which you want to select your wallpaper. Let me choose, for example, this one. Or maybe that one. Then mark Apply To, and finally decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, both of them, so lock and home screen, or maybe carousel wallpapers. Just pick whatever you like. I want to set it on home and lock screen. Here you can customize it. And mark Apply. If you want to change the colors, you can do it here as well. And just go back. And as you can see, it is already set. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.